So hello everyone, we are Team Narayana and this is our solution for Hacker House Goa 2026 task. So as a part of this project, we built a voice-enabled retrieval augmented generation system where a user can simply speak a question and our system converts that voice into the text using the ElevenLabs API key and searches the knowledge base and gives the ground answer. So in this, what are we solving? So basically, our idea is simple. Instead of directly asking an AI model to answer a question, we have to first retrieve the relevant information from the given dataset, which is MS MARCO dataset, which we have to given in the task, and this helps our system to answer from the available knowledge instead of making the information. So our complete pipeline is first of all we have to input the voice. It converts the speech into the text using 11 labs API. Then after retrieval, after that re-ranking, rounding, and at last we have to show the answer in our front end. So now we talk about the architecture. So in this readme file, we have to include all the related things about the project. So in this architecture, first of all, user directly interact with the front end. Then after connect with and communicate with the browser using the fast API, which is the part of the backend, and create a post request where we input the voice. Then after it go to the 11 labs API to speech to text conversation. Then after transcript, reg pipeline, and we use Quadrant Cloud for the vector DB database. Then after uh, lightweight lexical ranker, which currently used for retrieval. We use two approaches together. So the dense retrieval using the multi-level embedding model and the BM25 for keywords based retrieval. So here is the full workflow of the full, work, full, work, full workflow and the architecture of the system design. Now we move to the tech stack. So for this backend, we use Python and the API framework is Fast API and Unicorn. For front end, we use React plus Python plus Tailwind CSS. And for speech to text, we use 11 Labs API key. For vector DB database, we use Quadrant Cloud. And for the front end hosting and the back end hosting, we use Vercel and Render free tier. Now we talk about the dataset. So instead of the fully search in the 15 GB database on the given, like we have to given MS MARCO dataset which has currently 55 GB. So instead of instead of find all the details in the given dataset, we convert them into the chunks, and in this we have to find the detail. So as a part of this, now we move to the front end part, which is on a Vercel and a free tier. So here, first of all, we have to ask the question that what is a corporation? So after the processing, here it shows you ask question, and here is the grounded answer, and here is the reg latency which is under 200 ms, which is a basic requirement in the task. And then after the grounded answer, like first of all voice conversation, then after speech to text retrieval, re-rank, ground, and the answer, which is our base fundamentals. And now after that we use we ask another question that, like we asked in Hindi, so corporation क्या है? So here it also understands the Hindi language and also gives the correct answer in the Hindi language with the perfect latency which is under 200 ms. Now we try in Gujarati. શું એક corporation છે? So in Gujarati, it is also the gives the perfect output with the targeted latency. Now, if we talk about the out of the dataset question, like sorry, who wants today's cricket match? So here it says that I couldn't find the enough relevant information in the provided knowledge base to answer this question because it not exist in our provided dataset. So it couldn't answer. So here is all about the project of Hacker House Goa Task. Thank you.